Hi everyone, it's November 6th and it's 12:30 Eastern Time, and let's see what we have today on the markets. And first is the VIX graph is open, and there is nothing really interesting here. It's more or less on the same level as it was on Friday, so nothing to see here. SPX is same, around the top of Friday, so literally no movement. And if we will see, let's say 1 hour, we're just consolidating here. So yeah, I think I would expect probably one little high from here, one more high, and then we would need to do some retracing back. I'm sorry. So yeah, this is what I would expect. And as for trades, unfortunately I do not have much time today, so I didn't have time to wait for all the 47 companies to be scanned. So yeah, let's see what do we have. I know we already have Russell done. Oh, we even have Qs. Let's see what do we have with Qs. Just long strangle, long straddle, and nothing interesting with Qs. Same prices as we had on Friday, so nothing interesting. We will not open anything for in Qs. And IWM, where is it? Here it is, 17 trades and strangle long call. Debit vertical put, as I said, probably we could check it. Long straddle for 30. Oh, we actually have them opened, if I'm not mistaken. I should have the public list of public trades. I should have had them opened, but I'm sorry, I do not have it. So let's see debit vertical put. Oh, also doesn't make any sense because we have a strangle. So my plan on that strangle that we opened on Friday is to get some money on put, because I do expect some kind of downside movement, then close that put and probably buy another call to wait for the stock to go up. So yeah, this is market wise. EEM, we do have it. We do have a straddle, yes. And here, strategies for all the companies. Credit vertical call, not very interesting because I'm slightly bullish. Credit vertical put, SED, SEDG, Mongo. Do we have a Mongo? 1 second, just a second. I'll check the Mongo. I do not. No, we do have a Mongo and we do have Iron Condor. So doesn't make any sense to open another one. We would probably just copy the put leg, so I don't want it. TTD, if it's 25, now it's 20, nothing interesting. Probably I should just adjust the filter here so it will show only those that are at least 23. Right now it shows those credit spreads that are 20 and higher. I'm talking about ratio return to margin. TTD, Nvidia. Again, just 21, not interesting. Debit vertical call. Again, as I said, I would expect some kind of retracement, and relatively large one compared to the, like, at least half of what we have earned right now. Like, yeah, from here probably like up to this rectangle in the middle that you see here, probably somewhere there. So going at least there. So going with the debit vertical put, no, and same for the call. Well, actually, yeah, put might be, but only if we have something really interesting. Costco, maybe it's very cheap. but no, I think, what is the cost, how does it move? Because if it will just copy the SPY, then not interesting. I think the bet is really high there. Oh no, no, it's actually extremely high. Very interesting, very interesting. Well, they should retrace, but I wouldn't bet it because to me it looks that it's not good to bet against them right now. Okay, nothing much here. Long calls. No. IWM, no, too early. Iron butterflies, no. Short iron condos. MDB, it's literally what we already have. And short naked puts, the last one that I would consider for now. W. I don't have W's. There was something interesting with Wayfair. I think they had earnings. I sold the put before the earnings. That was a nice trade. Oh, it actually was pretty a long time ago. Interesting. I thought it was like a couple of weeks. Option premium, okay. Margin to return 26. Credit 142. We need to add beta to the bullish trade because you cannot really see if it's a good trade or not, and I think we will do it tomorrow because you need to know how it will compare to the market, to SPY, because we already have at least what do we have? Tesla, Mongo, EM, IWM, so it's not clear to me whether it will be a good trade or not. I do expect them to grow, to go up, but yeah, probably not from here. They would also retrace. So yes, nothing really interesting for now, but it actually, we checked all the companies. It already finished loading while I was talking. So nothing for today. Even if we would have something, I don't really know what which strategies I would open today, because something that is bullish, no, because I do expect a little retrace, and trying to get like a couple of pennies on this little retrace before run up, it just doesn't make sense. It is a little bit too risky. Well, I'm not trying to gamble right now, at least. So yeah, if something bearish will not give us enough profit, something bullish will not, it would be better to do it at least when we'll have some kind of retrace. And something like iron condors, no, I don't think we will be here for long, probably a week maybe, but not more. So this is it for today. Subscribe. If you have any questions, just ask them in comments, and also please like the video and all that stuff, because it really helps, because it will help me at least to know that somebody watches it. And